So today in this video I want to show you how you can adjust the joysticks of DJI FPV Controller. So if you decide to fly in manual mode, it's really important to adjust them so you don't have much resistance when you fly in manual mode using your drone. So it's really important that if they going back to the middle, it will be really hard to fly in manual mode. I've tried my first time and I've crashed into a tree, and this video is basically to show you how you can adjust them joysticks so you're not flying or crashing your drone. This Allen key, which in my case is T6, and you'll need one of this plastic just to take the rubber off. So I'm gonna take the rubber off first, and this we're gonna go from this side. I'll take it off slowly. As you can see here, it is coming off. Just need a bit more, that's it. Okay, so it is coming off, that's it. So now you'll have to adjust them two screws, which is F1 and F2. I will probably start with F2 first and then move to F1. So let's start to tighten using my little screwdriver, and I will do that. Make sure you go all the way in. That's it. It is moving. And let's see how it is. And as you can see here, it's a bit loose now, and it's only F1 needs to be adjusted. It's totally depending on you, how you want to feel on your hand. I would probably went too much, and I'll probably go back just a little bit. So again, be careful when you take this rubber off so you don't break it, because it's stopping here. So let's put it back, and now let's see. Now resistance is too much, so let's go a bit more down. Go. I think I went all the way. So now you can see the difference between the first one and the trotter. So let's go back and adjust a bit more. Cool. I think that's all done. So you can see it's completely loose, which is good for you. And now let's adjust the F1. Again, same side, we'll go clockwise and slowly move it. And let's see the results. It's not bad, just a bit more. So, a bit more. So yeah, this drop is a bit nice. It's a bit too tight, I would say. Probably went too tight. Yeah, I think that's better. That's definitely better. It feels better in my case, and I think I will gonna give a try maybe next week and see how it goes with them loose, because last time when I've tried to fly in manual mode with not them adjusted, I nearly crashed into a tree. I was really confused why, but that's the reason why, because them joysticks, they need to be adjusted accordingly so you can fly in manual mode. Let's look a bit more here on this F2. Maybe I need to go a bit more. Yeah, it's all good in my case. That's it. honest, I'm really happy with this result. And that's pretty much how you adjust them joysticks on your FPV controller, DJI FPV controller. If you learned anything from this small video, feel free to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up as well. Any questions, ask in the comments, and I will definitely post a video with one with flight using this with joysticks adjusted. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching again, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.